Morning children. So today's topic is business letter. So I'll let you know first of all the format of the business letter. The most important thing is sender address. Sender address, make sure that sender address is clear and precise. Specify the house number first, followed by the street, town, state and pin code. So beta, most of the students are doing errors in it. So all the things are required while writing address. Not only house number but also street, okay, town, state and pin code is very important. Okay? And this portion includes all sender's full address. While writing the address, one must not use a comma. Okay? Comma is not required. There is no comma now in the CBSE format. Please keep such things in your mind. And date and receiver address. Now come the date of which the date letter is written, followed by the receiver's address, which comprises the receiver's name, designation and address. We see here address aa gaya, date the editor, because this is address to editor, Times of India, Daryaganj, New Delhi. Dekho beta, here also we have put up the pin code. It is very important. Marks are given for the format. Please ensure while writing the format. Aage subject aa gaya. One of the most important part of the letter is the subject. One must ensure that the subject expresses the main theme and the crux of the letter really. What is the motive behind writing the letter? And the subject should not be of 2-3 lines. It must be not more than 4-5 words. Please ensure it while writing subject. Your purpose of writing should be cleared in the subject. Salutation aa jati hai beta. The salutation used in the formal letter is a greeting to the person to whom the letter is addressed. Then we come to know the body of the letter. The body of the letter is complex part which contains all the information the writer or you want to put up, you want to convey. For this, start while introducing the purpose of writing. Then build up the topic to develop the interest of all the readers by stating the cause, effect, solution and to the problem being discussed. So beta, your जो आपका जो body है, it must be very interesting, to the point, okay. And introductory paragraph, sentence, state of the purpose of writing. Then informative paragraph, give details of the problem, cause, effects, possible solution. And then concluding paragraphs, states your hope, commands, requests, suggestions, etc. So beta, your body of the letter, this is subdivided into the 3 parts, and it should be very well knit, to the point, well compiled. Complimentary clause aa jayega. This is the courteous way of ending a letter. For this, we write yours sincerely. Just see yours spelling, yours. Okay, yours faithfully and yours truly, truly. Most of the students are committing mistake in it. They are putting commas also. Most of the commas are found and spellings are wrong. So yours, yours. You need to put up, but no comma is required. As see, just see the first letter of the second word, okay, and starting with the capital letter. Senders, just below the complimentary clause, writes sender's name is written as a mark of the signing off, and if applicable, sender's designation may be added. Fine beta. So this was the format here. You can see properly. You can take the screenshot also of the same. So 1 or 2 marks we should have for the format also. If your format is clear, the check evaluator जो होता है वो उसको पता लग जाता है कि yes, he knows the things. Now I'll let you know the marking scheme of the same. ठीक है, और साथ में format. You had sent some books through Richard Courier's private services private limited, New Delhi, to your brother living in Baroda. After a week, your brother reported that he hadn't received the books. The local office of the company doesn't have any satisfactory answer to your verbal complaint, write a letter to the Managing Director, Richard Courier Service Private Limited, at their head office in the Nehru Place, New Delhi, stating the facts and asking the immediate action. You are Kusum Singhal or Avinash Pandey of 180 Rajnath Nagar, New Delhi. First of all, you see, you can take the screenshot also of the same, and I'll let you the marking scheme also. Sender address 180 Rajnath Nagar, New Delhi, pin code आ गया. Fine, you see letter address आ गया, then date, then receiver's address. 1 mark of this, half mark of receiver address. Okay, then 1 mark of theme. Now there is little bit of changes also. Now CBSE is updating its latest format also. Okay, subject also of 1 mark. See, 1 mark sender address, 1 mark half marks receiver's address, and 1 mark of theme. Salutation, then body of the letter is of 2 marks. So overall जो है Managing Director Richard Courier Service Private Limited, Nehru Place, New Delhi, pin code. Subject non-delivery of courier packet. बेटा you see here, देखो. Sir, this is to bring to your kind notice that I had sent some books to my brother in living in Baroda. Wide your consignment number 204 dated 27th August 2000. ठीक है. I regret to inform you. बेटा देखो next पैरा आ गया ना. You need to break up your content in 2-3 paragraphs. ठीक है. बॉडी जो है मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है 2-3 paragraphs में डालने हैं. You need to change the paragraph. I regret to inform you that he has not received it yet. I approached your local office which sent the books to know the status, but in vain. The payment receipt number against which the packet was sent 2340 dated this. Sir, books are very expensive and needed urgently to my brother. You are requested to look into the matter and inform me about the status of the courier packet, as early response will be highly appreciated. So beta, this was for today your business letter. I have given the specimen also. I have let you know about the marking scheme also. ठीक है. Thank you. Have a nice day.